Cave dancing. Ooh, look at him. Look at that sex machine go. Look at him. Oh, he's pulling out all the moves tonight. All the moves. Oh my god. It's too much. It's just, I wish I had those moves. That's it. Oh my god. Oh. Is he doing the verb? Or what is he doing? What is he doing? He's doing it random. That's it. It's just unbelievable. It's so original. So just insane. Honestly, you guys are witnessing history in the making right now because this is just insane. This is Olympic material, honestly. Like, fuck. Look at him. Oh my god. It's just, oh my god. Like, I think I just got a hurt on. Oh my god. Too much. Oh.
Get a partner, yo.
I don't even know what else to say.
Take a partner,
That good. Oh. And he's done.